So today I'm going to walk you through the neighborhood, show you some of the benefits of living in the Bairro da Estrela in Lisbon. So let's start to show you one of the biggest perks of living in the Bairro da Estrela, which is the access to this amazing park that is called Jardim da Estrela. And as well, you have beautiful monuments, like as you can see behind me, the Basilica of Estrela. And as well, the beautiful trams that cross all the time here. You can take the tram 28 and you have a wonderful view of the city. So let's keep walking and show you some of the perks. So this is one of the most beautiful locations here in the Estrela, is just in front of the Basilica da Estrela. This is the location where you can take the famous 28 tram and go through a lovely tour of the city. So right now this tram is probably heading to Campo de Ourique, which is also a very lovely neighborhood. You can just walk through Campo de Ourique up that road and you have an access to a lot of additional amenities. Then, by the way, if you ever want to go, you can go to the above of the Basilica and you have a fantastic, absolutely fantastic view of the whole city of Lisbon. So here we are, we're just walking here on the streets. The apartment is literally 2 minutes from here. You just get out and you're basically in Jardim da Estrela. Another very good thing that's happening right here is the fact that they are building a new metro station here in Estrela. That's projected, if I'm not wrong, for 2024, and that's gonna give you a fantastic access to the whole of the city. So you just pop in the metro and you pretty much can go anywhere in Lisbon. So here we are, that's where the metro station is gonna open. If I'm not wrong, the target date is 2024. There is the construction site, and just behind me, you'll have the Jardim da Estrela, and back there, the Basilica da Estrela. So pretty awesome location. Is gonna be incredible when we have the metro station, where you can basically just pop anywhere in the city in no time, and even come from the airport directly to here using the metro. So in terms of access, this is absolutely fabulous location. And I can attest to it because I actually lived in this Bairro da Estrela for many years when I was younger and absolutely loved it. I had access to going anywhere in Lisbon as I pleased. I would just pop up in the metro station in Rato. Now you just have 1-2 minutes away from your house. And you have the amenity of the beautiful Jardim da Estrela, where you can do exercises when there's many classes there, even personal trainers that do training there. And as well, you have the beautiful Basilica just behind me. So it's an absolute lovely neighborhood. It's very family oriented, so you'll find lots of families with young kids. There's plenty of expats as well here living. As you go in the garden, you'll probably hear several different languages, in addition to the tourists that come pretty often here. I'm just sitting right now here on the steps of Basilica da Estrela. I'm going to show you my view. Lots of public transportation here that you can take and explore the city. I didn't mention, but there is a huge amount of restaurants around here. Lovely hip places popping up, as well as traditional places. You have plenty to explore here. And as well, supermarkets, everything, you have it pretty well located here. And here it comes, once more, the beautiful tram 28, headed with locals, tourists that want to keep exploring the city. So let's keep going. So right now I'm giving you a little view inside the absolutely fantastic Basilica da Estrela. It's pretty incredible and quite high. That's why I'm saying it's a really good idea to go up there and see the views. You get magnificent views of this church. Just gonna turn around and show you this side as well, where you can see a massive organ up there. So this will be one of the sites that will be 2 minutes away from the apartment. So right now I'm walking through here, the Jardim da Estrela, and you can just listen to the tune. This is some music that's playing from folks that gather here just to dance some samba. So pretty friendly. There's a group of folks that every weekend come here and do a little bit of dancing. How cool is this? This is a beautiful garden. It has a lot of different plant species. If you're an avid appreciator of nature, you will definitely enjoy going through this garden and seeing all the different plants you can find here. So it's absolutely gorgeous. I can't vouch enough for it. Again, I've lived here in the past, so I've experienced this area as a tourist, but as well living. And living, I can tell you, is pretty comfortable. You get to know your neighbors, you have access to many amenities and services, you're super well located in the city of Lisbon, and you're in a historical neighborhood. You can even go on foot to Chiado if you please. You can walk all around it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. You can see my smile, I absolutely love it. And it's just gorgeous overall. And here you have like the beautiful, I don't know how you call it, maybe gazebo. They do some concerts here from time to time. I know as well they do some live movie projections here. So there's so many activities you can find here. Absolutely full of potential and a fantastic location. If you're just moving to Portugal and you want a really central location in Lisbon so you can figure out where actually you want to live, this is a great place to stay. This is a great place to be. The building itself, where the apartment is available, is a family building. It's mainly families that live there. Everyone knows each other. So you have also that element of safety and security. You feel that you're in a cozy neighborhood.